In front of me is Realme Narzo N61, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to hit system. Then tap on one-handed mode, and if you are using Tricky's navigation, scroll all the way down to use the switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Then hit correct and tap on the shortcut to enter one-handed mode. You can click on the same one to go back. You can also swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable your shortcut, tap on the same no blue switcher. If you are using gestures though, you can enable one-handed mode thanks to the switcher next to use one-handed mode. Then pull down from the button of your screen. You can go back the same way as before and disable one-handed mode by choosing the same blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!